Hi, so let us talk about some wonderful healthy habits that you can do or incorporate in your daily life routines. And this has done amazingly well for me, so I thought it will be very nice to share with you too. So, first thing is to start your day with some stretches. Yes, I know you may not be a yoga person, but show some love to your body. It goes through a lot of aches and pains, your neck, your back, your shoulders. Show some love, do some stretches. And believe me, it does amazingly well for your body. And it's a very good way to start your day. The second thing is again a very simple technique called dry brushing your body. But the advantages this has is like the list goes on. The skin looks absolutely wonderful. It reduces the cellulite. It also activates all the lymphatic glands in your body. It also helps in drainage of all those fluids that may get accumulate in your body, and that causes the pain too. So yes, dry brushing. So take this brush to your shower. Don't shower yet. Keep your body dry because this is the dry brushing. So what I'm using here is a shoe polish brush which is made up of horsehair, 100% horsehair, because what I'm looking for is that bristle which can give a little bit of acupressure to my body is what so the horsehair works wonderfully well. If a dry brushing brush is available to you, please go ahead and use that. Otherwise, this completely works. So it starts with under your foot, so if this is your foot, so you can do little more vigorous movements around under your foot. It also activates those nerves under your foot. So start that with that. And then for your toe, you'd start with upward movement. You can give it a slight poke and then move it upwards. So stroke and pat and move it upward. That's how the drainage is going to happen, and it all comes towards the heart. So start from the foot, drain it towards the heart. Then the palm, on the palm, and then to the fingers, and then the drainage happen, the strokes happen towards, the movement is towards your armpit, and from your armpit towards your heart. For the nape of your neck, from the nape of your neck, the drainage is again towards your heart. So that's the direction of the strokes or the movement that you're going to do with the brush. Don't use this brush on your face because it's little too harsh for the face. So this is for your body. After you do this, this accumulates all the dead skin. So you have to take care of this and keep it very hygienic for the next use. So wash it with maybe antibacterial soap in warm water and let it dry out in the sun, so the water drips out and it's drying out in the sun. What I do is I put it in a airy laundry bag and leave it out, hanging out in the sun. So this is how I take care of the brush too. The last thing in the day is to end your day with a luxurious warm oil bath. So what I do is I keep a base oil, that is a coconut oil here, and some maybe fenugreek seed powder and little bit of turmeric. So this is my base oil. I don't recommend using essential oils or aromatic oils directly to your body because they are very pungent, very concentrated. So I use a base oil which has a turmeric, fenugreek seed powder, and so this is how it looks. So if you're a man using this oil, please, you can avoid the turmeric completely. But otherwise you can just go ahead, keep this as a base oil. And what I do is, depending on how I'm feeling on that particular day, there is anxiety or there is headache or maybe I need a good sleep, so the oil changes according to that. It can be vetiver, it can be lavender oil, rosemary. So there's amazing benefits that the oil provides you. So it's a very good thing to end your day with. So what I would also recommend is, when you're giving yourself an oil bath, start with taking a good amount of oil in palm of your hand, and then maybe give a good rub around the navel and let the oil stay a little more time in your navel, so like while you're ending your bath. So please do that and let me know how it has helped you. Bye.